This soap gave me more headaches. So I had this, sorry, it's in this container, but I have stuff on top. I don't want to take it off. I don't know if you can see that snow, right? So it's shredded white soap that I had coated in a ultra sparkle mica from Brambleberry. And I wanted to mix that in with the white, and I was hoping I might get just a little bit of sparkle and maybe variation in it. Well, I forgot to mix it in until I poured half of this. So I tried poking it in. I don't know what we're gonna get there. I don't think it'll make much of a difference, but I really hope I didn't displace my embeds. Then I had this holly leaf that I was gonna add at the very top corner. Completely forgot until this was full and there was no adding it. It was what it was. So yeah, this soap had its challenges. And I'm afraid they're not straight. Ugh. The girl is leaning over and yeah, clear, and then you can kind of see the speckles in there. Because I obviously did not push it down. And me trying to push it down tilted her. I knew it. It's not the end of the world. It's just frustrating. Also, you can see how she's pushing through. Oh my gosh, I could not get this to set up. So I'm a little frustrated. I really wanted her straight. And I think if she had been straight, I could have got the holly leaf in the corner. I mean, it's cute. It's just really frustrating when things don't go as planned. And you can see there's some parts where she was sinking in. Like I said, I could not get this to set up. And every time I tried to put her in, like she would just sink a little bit. And it finally thought I had it set up. And still a little bit of sinkage. And I'm like, I really shouldn't have bothered with adding the speckle in there, because you can't, I mean, you can see it if you're looking. I should have probably just focused on trying to make sure she stayed straight, but it is what it is. Not much I can do about it now. You win some and you lose some. This is not quite a loss, but it's definitely not a win either. Oh well. What can I say? I tried. Let me know what you think. I really do love the mailbox with the bird in her. She's kind of holding a gift, though it doesn't quite come out in the silhouette, but I still think it's really sweet. I just want to tilt her straight.